I wanted to take a few minutes and do a video about pre-orders in general. What are they? Should I do them? How do they work? Etc. Hey Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I've gotten a question a lot recently about pre-orders. Tim, my suppliers are offering me to pre-order out of stock product to make sure I get my units. Should I do that? So I wanted to take a few minutes and do a video about pre-orders in general. What are they? Should I do them? How do they work? Etc. By the way, I headed out for a hike. The weather's not cooperating, so what better time to do a quick video? All right, so pre-orders. First of all, generally the answer is no. If your supplier says, hey, would you like to pre-order 500 units, 1,000 units? Normally the answer is no. But in today's coronavirus situation and some of the manufacturing problems that have happened, the answer might be yes. Now, if you've seen any of my videos here on YouTube, any of the ALGO videos here on YouTube, you know that we stress you have to know how to do the research. You have to know how to do the research. Lots of people that try to sell on Amazon, they don't learn how to do the research, they buy the wrong product, and they lose money, right? And then I meet them, unfortunately, after they've already lost money. And so you have to know how to do the research. There is no blanket answer to product research. Every single product that you think of selling, you have to research the data, gather the data from various tools that are out there, crunch it all and decide how many units you want to buy, or should you buy 0 units? You got to look at your budget. There's no blanket answer I can give you. You got to know how to do the research. Okay, so pre-orders. First of all, what are they? So a supplier will come to you and say, hey, Tim, would you like to pre-order your units to make sure you get them? Now, here's what they're normally doing. They're normally just trying to lessen their risk. They're going to be buying a certain number of units from the manufacturer or whomever, and they want to make sure they have people lined up to actually buy those, so they try to get you to pre-order. So normally your answer is no, but let me switch to the other side of this. You see pre-orders on Amazon. So you can go on to Amazon and, for instance, a book. I do this all the time with books. A book is going to be released on May 30th, June 15th, whatever. I want to get my copy. I think it might sell out. So what do? I go to Amazon and pre-order that book. And then the people making the book, they know they already got 20,000 pre-orders, right? So it lessens the risk for them. That's why they're doing it. They know their money is out there. They're risking spending their money. Selling on Amazon is risky, right? You got to buy product in advance. You pay your supplier, the product gets shipped to Amazon, and then you start making money. So during that period in between, you're at risk. Your capital is at risk. If you don't sell anything, you lose that money. And again, a lot of people that happens to them because they do the research wrong. So in order to lessen your risk, what can you do as an Amazon seller? You could put out a product to pre-order. Now, why could you do that? You can only really do that if you have an exclusive to that product, some sort of brand exclusive. If I'm selling a popular name brand product on Amazon, I probably have other sellers that are selling the same product. I can't do pre-orders, right? I can't do pre-orders because they have the inventory in stock. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't work that way. But if you have a brand exclusive, you could do a pre-order. That probably doesn't apply to a whole lot of people listening to this video, but I wanted you to know that's why you see it happening on Amazon. Okay, so let's go back to your supplier. Your supplier says, hey, Tim, would you like to order 1,000 units of this product that I'm getting? And normally the answer is no, but what are they doing? They're trying to lessen their risk, right? Just like you as a seller could try to lessen your risk by getting some pre-orders. It's all the same thing. So you say no most of the time, but here's where you might say yes. If you're selling a popular name brand product and that product is out, no one has it, and there's products out there that exist like that right now because of some manufacturing situations, right? The plant, everyone got coronavirus, the plant had to shut down, they didn't make any for several months. You get the idea. You know the whole coronavirus story, right? Okay, so if your supplier says, hey, I know you are down to only 100 units, you're going to be out of stock in a week, I can't get these for another 2 months, would you like to pre-order them? That is a situation that you got to dive into the numbers and decide, hey, you know what? Maybe this is a time where the answer is yes. Almost the entire time I've been selling on Amazon, the answer has been no. You don't want to pre-order from your supplier. But there are some times right now where the answer is yes. Again, you have to know how to dive into each individual situation and crunch the numbers and find the data. You get the concept there. So here's what we do at ALGO. Hopefully you've learned a little about what a pre-order is, how it kind of works, the general concept. At ALGO, we've been teaching people for 6 years, or we have over 7,000 students that have joined our team, and we teach them how to do this research. We teach them how to sell popular name brand products, a time-tested, proven business model. I would love to teach you as well. There's a link right down there. I'm going to be holding a free live 90-minute workshop. Look for the link down there for the workshop. Click on it, get your seat, get registered. It'll be sometime in the next week. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spend the first 60 minutes of that workshop. Again, I'll be live. I'll spend the first 60 minutes going through step by step the right way to sell on Amazon. Then I'll do a question and answer period. That's why I'm live. I love to see what questions you have, and I promise I will not end the meeting until I've answered every single question you have. So if you're serious about selling on Amazon, you want to know how to do it right, you want to be able to avoid these costly inventory purchase mistakes that so many people make, join me for this free live workshop. So click on that link, get registered, save your virtual seat, and I'll see you soon.